Hey everyone, good morning. So, as you can see, this is the view from my terrace, and pandal making is also in progress. Maybe by tomorrow it will be ready, and you can see a glimpse of Tata Steel also. So, you can see morning puja has already begun, and Pandiji is on time. We are also joining with him. Basically, most of the preparation for the puja we do it before night, because again in the morning we do not get so much of time, and yeah, it's a early morning puja. So before sleeping we make sure that the room has been cleaned and all the arrangements and are done. Mostly flowers and bale pata and all, that all things we arrange in the morning, but rest or everything mostly we do it at night. So here comes my chachi and my mom, both are doing the puja, and I am behind the camera. So you can see we have the dhoop, flowers, agarbatti, deep, everything, and there are tiny plantlets which has started coming on the kalash. So it has a significance. In the beginning of the first day, we put some seeds in this kalash, and eventually after 10 days they start growing up. So this has a huge significance in the Shera. We actually say that all the prayers which we do, the plants being the living beings, they listen to it and they grow. So let's jump to the Aarti, and I usually refer to the book and read because I don't remember the exact wordings, but my mom and my chachi, they remember it by heart. Finally the puja is over. Now we are going to eat the prasad, have our breakfast, and I have to do really quickly because by this time my office gets started and I have to rush to my laptop. So you all must be wondering, where is Anika? So Anika is here. She gets up a little late by the time puja is over, and then she is busy playing with her doll. What is the sound of cat? Meow. Hmm. Doll is also eating? Oh. Oh, muh ganda. Dolly's mouth is dirty. Oh, Dolly's mouth is dirty. Eh?
Yeah, Dolly don't brush.
Oh, Dolly has not done brush. Did you brush your teeth? Show me your teeth. Very good. Show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. Yay! And did you take bath today? Did you take bath? Yes. Because there's no water. There's no water. What will you drink? Throw it. Go and throw it. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, 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 yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. Go and throw it. Throw it in the dustbin. Go.
No.
Mama will come and then she will give you nicely tight slaps. Go and throw it. Yes. Mommy will come and do pitti.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mama कहाँ है?
Mama is downstairs. She's coming.
मम्मी कहाँ है?
मम्मी आ रही है. सो फाइनली शाम हो गई है और हम सब लोग फिर से आरती करने आ गए हैं. सो यू कैन सी टुडे अनिका इज़ डूइंग आरती विद her mom and dad. So I'll just show you it fast forward mode because it usually takes 30 minutes for us to complete this aarti. And I must say, in this 10 days Anika learns each and every word of this aarti. and after the puja ends, she will recite it herself. And here comes our ghar ke Pandit ji, Kim Phoebe, doing the aarti. So I should give proper footage to him and take his name, otherwise he starts complaining a lot that you're not promoting my channel. And this is Anika. Soon after the aarti ends, she will wait and start demanding for the prasad until she gets it. So this is my chachi and she makes some amazing cakes. You can follow her channel called Zyka24.
माता दी बोलो जय माता दी
बोले
बोलो जय माता दी जय माता दी बोलो जय माता दी जय माता दी जय माता दी
आरती
बोलो
हुआ?
हाँ
आरती हो गया?
दादाजी को प्रसाद खिलाओ लो अपने हाथ से दादाजी को प्रसाद खिलाओ
तो
बोलो, दादाजी रुकिए
थैंक यू।
हाँ एप्पल खा लो ये बेबी चॉकलेट खाओगी खा के देखो बेबी चॉकलेट थोड़ा सा मुंह में डालो अच्छा तो तुम और किसी को नहीं दी माँ को दी मीठा माँ को तो प्रसाद दी नहीं
हम पहले खाएंगे तुम खाना
और दादी को
So this is how our day ends. Anika playing, us watching, and she's playing some weird game which Kim Phoebe needs to explain what it is. So with this we end the day 3 of our Navratri vlog. Thanks for watching. Please